This, ladies and gentlemen, is Skull Island. Wait a minute, wasn't Skull Island the King Kong movie? Wasn't that Skull Island? I can't, anyway, whatever. Ice in our glass, because it's a skull glass. Beautiful. Come behind it with some rum. I picked this up in the Netherlands, by the way, okay? Coconut rum, banana rum, and then mango rum at the Doubletree Hotel upstairs on top. At the bar, bartender, you know, he's like, I can't give it to you. No, wait, how did I get this? I can't remember. I don't think it was stolen. I think we had an agreement. Blue curaçao where I could walk out with it, okay? And then come in with a bunch of fruits. And the drink, this at the hotel was like $60-something, $70. All right? I mean, this is our recipe now because we modified it. We flip a lime inside out so we could put in some 151 and light this bad boy up. Check it out. Beautiful! Okay? Skull Island, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, that's a gorgeous skull. Stay tipsy.